I'm going to share something so powerful with you. It changed the way I look at my business and the way I spend the time. This technique is called the productivity pyramid. Think of a pyramid. We are going to call this the productivity pyramid, and it has 4 layers. The bottom one is brown, then we have light green, then we have dark green, and we have gold at the top. So what is bottom? Bottom is basically activities that don't really generate value for your business. Admin stuff, filing checks and faxes and emails and things that don't really generate value, but they just have to be taken care of in business and life. What happens after that? After that, we are in the light green. So this is maybe generating sales for your business, building a book of passive investors for your business, hunting for properties, things like that. After that would be dark green. What goes in dark green? Dark green is basically high impact zone. What kind of things can you do? So rather than talking to one passive investor, you basically have a webinar for 20 investors. How do you leverage your time? How do you leverage your network? How do you leverage your energy? You think and you strategize. That's what dark green is. And what is gold? Gold is all the way at the top. That is basically, getting a coach or reading a book, going to a conference, spending your time in such a way that 1 hour a week or one weekend of the year at the conference is going to really change the way you look at your business and give you so many insights and techniques. So how do you use this pyramid? Ask yourself, on a typical week, where are you spending most of your time? Just do an assessment. And your goal is to shift as much of your time as possible from brown and light green into dark green and gold. Of course, we cannot eliminate the brown or light green. We have to do some things, but can you hire somebody at $15 an hour, $20 an hour, an assistant if you are in the business of real estate and generate more value for your time? Because at the end of the day, we have limited amount of time and limited amount of energy. Are we spending it in a strategic way, like how I mentioned in the pyramid, or we're just going into the office and doing things left and right, just trying to clean the inbox, just replying to the voicemail? And that kind of approach is not going to give us a robust growth. So highly encourage you to take an inventory and ask yourself where you're spending the time. And if you're not spending enough time in gold and dark green, ask yourself, what are those activities that I could do that would leverage the results I get? I guarantee you put this thing in practice, it will supercharge your business. And this is what high performance coaching is getting practical tools. And if you're one of my coaching clients, then I will help you figure out where these zones are and help you troubleshoot and give you ideas to go on to the next level. Happy to do a strategy session for you if you're committed to taking your business to the next level. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I know you're getting some valuable information and insights. Your support is invaluable to me. So if you could hit the subscribe button and like button, I'll really appreciate it. It will help me spread the message more and generate more content to take your life and business to the next level. I will see you in the next video.